StoneFly's Proxmox High Availability Clustered HCI solution is a turnkey configuration with integrated air-gapped and immutable storage, automated threat detection and response, and optional migration capabilities. It delivers clustered HCI nodes with automated failover and failback to keep workloads available, even if a controller node goes offline. This video provides a quick overview of the architecture and the features it delivers, followed by a demo of automated failover during a controller failure and live VM migration between nodes. StoneFly's Proxmox High Availability System is the only turnkey HA solution available for Proxmox environments. It delivers seamless clustering, ransomware-proof storage, and built-in security in one package. With air-gapped and immutable storage, automated threat detection, and optional migration tools, it ensures maximum uptime and reliable protection for critical workloads. The high-availability Proxmox cluster delivers reliability through multiple layers of protection and redundancy. It features automated failover and failback, so workloads continue seamlessly even if a controller goes down. A dedicated witness node ensures that failovers are accurate and prevents false positives. With synchronous or asynchronous replication, critical virtual machines can be mirrored in real time for rapid recovery or scheduled for redundancy as needed. And with active-active multi-controllers, each node is fully redundant, delivering both high performance and continuous availability. This diagram shows the StoneFly USS-HA architecture. Virtual machines can run on either of the clustered HCI controllers, and they can migrate between the primary and secondary controller with no disruption to access. If one node becomes unavailable, VMs automatically fail over to the available node to maintain operations. Both controllers are clustered and share access to the high-performance RAID storage expansion array, ensuring continuous availability and data protection. High availability is configured at both the compute and storage levels. On the storage side, an SCVM cluster is set up with two SCVMs, primary and secondary. Each runs on its respective host, while both have access to a shared storage array, ensuring redundancy and continuous availability. Here, we've created a volume, shown in the volume summary. This volume is configured as shared storage for the Proxmox cluster that's hosting our virtual machines. The shared clustered storage is accessible by both hosts, and we have VMs actively running on them. At the compute level, the cluster enables live migration of virtual machines between the two hosts. This means you can continue accessing the VMs even as they move to the other host. The migration process is straightforward in the Proxmox interface. Simply right-click the VM you want to migrate. Select the target host, and the system automatically handles the migration. Here you can see the VM has successfully migrated from Head Unit 1 to Head Unit 2, without any disruption to access. The next feature is Failover. Failover is built into the StoneFly HA configuration by default, ensuring workloads automatically move to the available node. This capability applies not only to Proxmox, but also to other supported hypervisors, including VMware ESXi and Microsoft Hyper-V. When a host becomes unavailable, the virtual machines that are part of the HA group automatically restart on the remaining host. In this window, you can see the VMs that are configured for high availability. The SCVM, which is the storage OS, and the worker VMs are excluded from HA. We don't want them to migrate, so they're not included in the failover group. To demonstrate automated failover, we'll force a shutdown of Head Unit 2 to simulate a failure scenario. Failover only takes a few seconds. When a host goes down, the system first verifies that it isn't a false positive. Once confirmed, the VMs are automatically moved to the available host without disrupting operations. As shown here, the HA VMs that were running on Head Unit 2 have now failed over to Head Unit 1. In addition to automated failover, the StoneFly USS-HA includes a built-in security and ransomware protection suite that helps administrators safeguard critical data from ransomware, unauthorized access, and other cyber threats. It provides multiple layers of defense, starting with an air-gapped vault and immutable storage, which ensure data remains isolated and tamper-proof. Volume deletion protection prevents accidental or malicious removal of storage volumes. The system also features automated threat detection and response, identifying and stopping suspicious activity before it can cause harm. And with immutable snapshots, administrators can quickly recover clean copies of data at any point in time. The automated threat detection and response engine is a global protection feature with built-in XDR, EDR, NDR, and SIEM capabilities. It continuously monitors system behavior across the environment to detect and block threats in real time, including malicious encryption, unauthorized binaries, SQL injections, brute force attempts, and other attack patterns. By identifying and stopping these threats before they take effect, the system safeguards Proxmox workloads with enterprise-grade security, monitoring, and response, without requiring manual intervention. The hardware architecture of the USS-HA is a modular, disaggregated system where performance and capacity can be scaled independently without disruption. Its architecture eliminates the need for forklift upgrades, allowing seamless expansion as requirements grow. At the core are the dual-clustered HCI controllers. These serve as the management layer of the HA system, with the hypervisor hosted on integrated active-active controllers. For storage, the system includes RAID expansion arrays, available in 12, 16, 24, 36, and 60 bay options. Each array is equipped with active-active hardware RAID controllers to deliver high-speed, fault-tolerant storage. A dedicated witness node continuously monitors the controllers, ensuring reliable failover and preventing false positives. And for additional capacity, the configuration supports expandable bunch of drives, or ABODs, available in 12, 16, 24, 36, 60, and 108 bay systems. The USS-HA includes built-in migration tools that make it easy to move workloads from any hypervisor to Proxmox, with a smooth transition and minimal downtime. For organizations that want additional support, optional Elite migration services are available, providing expert guidance and hands-on assistance to ensure the process is as simple and seamless as possible. If you have any questions or would like more details, you can reach us at sales@stonefly.com. To learn more about StoneFly solutions, visit stonefly.com.